Hello everyone and welcome to the Cookies and Candies channel. For the very first episode, I'm going to be taking a look at something of a mix of the two subjects. I'm going to be taking a look at Cadbury's Crunchy Biscuits. Now if you don't know what a Crunchy bar is, it's basically just a stiff golden sponge toffee coated in chocolate. So what exactly is the biscuit form of that? Well, according to this, it's just a biscuit with the Crunchy bar bits in it. That sounds very interesting. Taking a look at the nutrition information, you can pause it right there if you so desire. You can also take a look at the ingredients as well, just to make sure that there isn't anything you're allergic to. And we're going to bust this thing open and take a look. It's from Cadbury, so I expect this to be high quality. It looks like we get 8 of these bars, and these bars are about that big. Almost 2 inches in diameter. Kind of thick. And let's just slice one in half and see what we actually get here. And it is indeed a very thick layer of chocolate with the biscuit underneath and a bit of toffee in the middle. So I'm going to try one out and see what I think of it. Oh, these are definitely great quality. The milk chocolate is actually a fairly good portion to the cookie. Has a nice crunch, and the sweetness of the toffee really brings it all together. Excellent stuff. Remember to eat in moderation, brush your teeth after every meal, and I'll see you next time.